Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We just can't get enough of this rose faulty line cake. Amazing! Start with a chocolate cake and pipe on white buttercream icing. Add a smaller cake on top and pipe all the way around the edge and over the top. Then finally, a larger slice of chocolate cake and coat. Smooth out the edges and place some roses around the middle. Pink and white, a beautiful sight. Let's thicken the outside with more white buttercream icing on the top and the bottom. Again, smoothing it out. Lovely. Let's pop some roses on top. And add gold food colouring around the edges for a finishing touch. A few more roses along the bottom edge. And there you have it. Amazing. Rose faulty line cake. All that's left to do now is slice and enjoy. Today we're making naked cake, a super simple chocolate cake recipe with cherries on top. What more could you want? Start by mixing together 90 milliliters of milk with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Once mixed, set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and let it do its magic. Meanwhile, mix together 80 grams of caster sugar with 60 milliliters of oil. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 200 milliliters of condensed milk. Pour in your milk vinegar mixture, blend it all together. Now sift in the dry ingredients. We want 130 grams of refined flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now fold it in with a spatula. And your cake mixture is ready. Pour it into a 6-inch lined cake tin. Give it a few taps and bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. It should come out looking something like this. Allow to cool, then remove from the tin. Slice off the top. Then slice in half. Now spoon on some sugar syrup and let it sink into the sponge. Pipe on chocolate ganache. Add the top layer of cake, more sugar syrup, more chocolate ganache, spreading it evenly to cover the top. And finally, sprinkle on some chocolate shavings and add fresh cherries in the middle. And for a finishing touch, some mint leaves. And there you have it. Beautiful, chocolatey, naked cake. Enjoy! Look at this amazing KitKat illusion cake. Looks so professional, yet so easy to make. Start with a basic chocolate cake, rectangular shaped, and pipe on some white buttercream icing. Add on your second layer of chocolate cake, refrigerate for 15 minutes. Then turn the cake around and slice out some gaps to make fingers for the KitKat. We want 3 gaps. There. Now coat the entire thing in white buttercream icing. Smoothing it out. Perfect. Refrigerate for 20 minutes and roll out some brown fondant icing. We're going to coat the top part of the cake where the fingers are. This will look like chocolate. Cut out the required shape to cover the end, pressing it down with your fingers. Slicing off the excess. Then roll out some white fondant icing to cover the remainder of the cake. Covering up to where the fingers start. As you can see, we've created a kind of frill shape at the top. Slicing off the end, pressing it down. Now get some silver powder and just using a paintbrush, put it on the top part of your white fondant icing. Then roll out some red fondant and cover the remaining white part, again with a frill at the top, looking like an open wrapper, and pressing it down to cover the end this time. Slicing off the excess and carefully folding in the corners. This makes a perfect KitKat wrapper. And all that's left to do now is stick on the logo. And there you have it. An amazing, super professional KitKat illusion cake. All you need to do now is slice and enjoy. Let's make ice cream mango cake. Start by slicing a mango thinly, then add 500 milliliters of heavy cream to a mixing bowl and whisk until thickened. Then add in 250 grams of mango puree and mix together. Your heavy cream filling is ready. Now, on a lined baking tray, add some crackers to cover the base. On top of that, you put your heavy cream and spread it evenly. And now add on a layer of sliced mango. And layer it up like a lasagna, so more crackers. More heavy cream. More mango, crackers, heavy cream, mango. And we're done. Freeze for 2 hours. Slice it into portions. And we're ready to serve. Ooh, delicious! Ice cream mango cake. Yum! In a bowl, take 480 milliliters of double cream and add 397 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk. Whisk it well. Add 1 tablespoon of strawberry syrup and 1 tablespoon of red food dye and whisk it again. Stick that in an airtight container. Chuck in some chocolate chips. And freeze. Now in another bowl, take 125 grams of caster sugar, add 3 eggs, and whisk. Once it's light and fluffy, add in some green food dye. Now sift in 125 grams of plain flour. Fold it in using a spatula. Pour the batter into a lined rectangular baking tray. Bake this mixture at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's cooled, apply buttercream frosting. Using some baking paper, we're going to roll it into a Swiss roll. Freeze! After freezing, cut it into pieces. Arrange the pieces into a bowl lined with cling film. Freeze again. Now fill with the sweetened condensed milk and double cream frozen mixture and freeze once again. Turn it upside down. And there you have it. Cut the cake and enjoy these Nyam Nyam treats. Watermelon bomb cake. Awesome.